the advantages of dating an old man, let's say 65 years old plus. How old are you?
I'm 24 years old.
How long have you been single?
No boyfriend since birth.
You're so beautiful, you're smart. Hi! Welcome to the Fuentes Family Channel. My name is Lorie. In today's video, we are going to ask Filipino women from Naga City, Bicol, Philippines and ask them, what are the advantages of dating an old man? Let's find out. Enjoy the interviews. What is your name?
Hello, I'm Francis.
Francis, nice to meet you. Interesting name, Francis. Who gave that name to you?
It's just an experiment name po.
Your mom gave it to you?
My father po.
Your father. Francis. Okay. Anyway, Francis, how old are you?
I'm 22.
22. And what year are you now?
I'm at third year college.
Your
po.
college. Are you nursing?
Nursing.
Nursing. I see. You could tell from their uniform. Okay. Are you single or you're in a relationship?
Single.
Single. How long have you been single?
A month, 5 months.
5 months. Okay, 5 months. Okay, so Francis, what are the advantages of dating an older man?
There is a respect in each and maturity, of course.
Respect and maturity. I see. How about the advantages of dating an old man, let's say 65 years old plus?
Of course, hindi mawawala yung discrimination, the judgment of other people.
But the advantages of dating old man, 65 years old.
There is someone who will guide you since they are mature.
Since
Yun.
they're more mature.
Oo.
I see. Would you ever date an old man?
Right now, maybe. I don't
Maybe.
know. Maybe.
Okay. How about if he is an old foreigner? Let's say 65 years old foreigner. Would you date him?
I don't know.
I don't know.
I have no idea pa.
Anyway, thank you so much, Francis. What is your name?
Good evening po. I'm Lara February.
Lara. Beautiful name. Nice to meet you, Lara. How are you today?
Okay man po. Good, happy. Yeah.
I'm glad to know. Why are you happy today?
Sa work, happy. Sa friends.
You're working?
Yep.
Oh, may we know what's your job?
Nurse.
Nurse. That's very cool. How old are you?
I'm 24 years old.
24 and you're still working already as a nurse?
Yeah, yes.
You're so young. You must be very smart. Right? Anyway, are you single or you're in a relationship?
Single.
How long have you been single?
No boyfriend since birth.
Wow, you're so beautiful. You're smart. You have a job. What's wrong with you guys? Okay, but you're not picky, right?
Picky din po. Picky din. Picky.
What are you looking for a man?
Number one po, syempre, yung may words.
Have job?
Mature.
Mature?
May respeto. And mapait.
Has respect and kind. Beautiful. Okay. Anyway, here's the question. What are the advantages of dating an older man? Like your opinion since she never had a boyfriend before.
For me po, dating a mature guy. Syempre, mas maganda po yung yung takbo ng relasyon. Kasi mas mature mag-isip yung guy. Mas madadala niya po yung relasyon nyo compared sa mga mas bata. Mas bata. Okay.
So what Lara said is that if you're dating an older man, he could handle the relationship well, better than having a younger partner, right? And what else?
Yun po, mas happy and mas maganda yung work ng relationship kasi mas mature na mag-isip yung lalaki, and maganda yung magiging future compared sa pag nagkarelasyon ng mas bata.
I see. So it's much more happier, right? And then the relationship could work better, right? Okay, and might have a better, what do you call these? Future with older partner than younger ones. Okay. How about the advantages of dating an old man? Let's say 65 years old plus.
For me po ay ano, di ko po kasi makita yung sarili ko for that
Age.
for that age na more than 65 years old. So,
So she can't see herself with a 65 years old man. What is your name?
And Janelle po. Janelle.
Janelle?
Yes.
That's a very interesting name. Nice to meet you. How are you tonight, Janelle?
I'm fine.
You're fine.
Yeah.
Okay. How old are you?
I'm 21
21. Are you single or you're in a relationship?
in a relationship.
Okay. Are you still studying?
Yes.
May we know what's your course?
Education.
Education. What major?
Major in food service management.
Food service.
Yes.
Okay. What year are you now?
I'm third year.
Third year. One more year and you will graduate.
Hopefully.
Oh, I think you will. You look smart, and she sounds smart as well.
Sounds like.
Sounds okay. Anyway, Janelle, what are the advantages of having an older partner?
Advantages for me as on my opinion is of course having an older partner in your life is that first is he or she is matured enough to handle your relationship, and of course he or she had a lot of experiences in her past.
How about the advantages of having an old man, like let's say 65 years old plus?
For me it is not a problem if you in love with a man older 60 and above. In our culture, especially in a Filipino culture, parang 'di ba, it is not appropriate to have a 60 years old because it's just like a lolo version for us.
Grandpa.
Yeah, a grandpa. So it is not bad. And one thing it's a good for advantage for me is that like what I said earlier, she or he can guide you on your journey.
What is your name?
Zen na lang po. Jenaline.
Zen?
Jenaline.
Jen.
Jenaline.
Okay. Nice to meet you, Jen. How are you tonight?
Feeling sad?
Why are you feeling sad?
Hindi ko po alam. Basta nasasad lang ako. Pero, na-pray ko naman kay Papa God.
She just came out from the church. It's because she feels sad. So, but now she feels a little better because she already talked to Jesus, right? Okay, let's make Jen happy tonight. How are you? How old are you?
24.
24.
Mm-mm.
Okay, you're working or you're still studying?
Working.
May we know what's your job?
Barista and cashier. Beanbag coffee. Yes.
Oh,
Robinson's pa.
Robinson. She's working from Robinson. That's our favorite mall. We should visit. We're gonna visit you someday.
Thank you po.
Okay. Okay. Anyway, what are the advantages of having an older man?
In a relationship po yan, ma'am. Siguro po mas happy kasi mas matured siyang mag-isip kumpara, hindi ko man po sinasabi na hindi matured mag-isip yung mga nasa pero para sa akin yung mas older sa akin kasi matured na siya sa mag-isip. Parang tapos na siya dun sa sa teenage life niya.
Oh.
Mas serious na siya sa lahat ng bagay. Tapos napapag-usapan na namin yung future ahead from her.
I see. So for her, it's much more like happier being with someone that is older because they're more matured. He is already done with his teenage life, and they could talk more about, serious thing in life or in a relationship. What is your name, ate?
Rowena, Atencia.
Rowena. Nice to meet you, Ate Rowena. Ate Rowena, how old are you po?
50,
50 years old. How many kids do you have, ate?
7.
7. Wow. Okay, and Ate Rowena is working here. She's actually selling candles in front of the church here in Naga. Okay, these are your kids, ate, right? Okay. Anyway, ate, here's the question. What are the advantages of having an older partner? Ano ba ang kinagayon kapag ang partner mo mas gurang sa imo?
Mas nakakaintindi sila.
So they could understand you better.
Nag-a-adjust ng kung anong ano ka.
Dapat na i-adjust. Okay. And they can also adjust, right? In anything. Ano pa po, ate?
Mabait din.
They're kind.
Dahil mas adult siya kaysa sa'yo.
They're more kind because they're older. Yun na po, ate. Yeah, that's it. Your husband, ate, is he older than you or mas gurang ka? Sino mas gurang sa indo, ate?
Si Agum ko po.
Oh, so her husband is older than Ate Rowena. Pirang taon na, ate, si Agong?
55.
So, pirang 5 years ang ano. So, Ate Rowena's husband is 5 years older than ate. I see. Okay. Ate, do you have any message to, like, Filipinas with older partner? May message ka ba naman sa mga Pilipina na may mga mas gurang na partner?
Ang message ko po, kung may mga partner sila na mas mataas ang edad nila, mas advantage yung mas mataas ang edad kasi naiintindihan nila kung kasi medyo bata pa yung babae. Mas nakakaintindi sila.
So, Ate Rowena said that you have the advantage because they're older and they could understand you better. Okay, Ate Rowena, thank you so much. Salamat po.
Welcome po.
That's what I think the bird poop on me. Look at the bird.
Let me see your head. Oh yeah, it did. Okay.